Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to add your Creative Aurvana Ace Mimi to the application. So firstly we should pair these earbuds with the phone, open settings and go to the Bluetooth. If you have Android, click pair new device and after that open the charging case. If you have no connection with these earbuds, it will enter to prank mode automatically and we can see it at the device list, but we can also add it manually. Right here at the bottom we have this connection button, press and hold on it until these LED lights start flashing blue and red. Here we go, and we can see it right here at the device list. Tap on it, and if you have Android, click also pair. After that you can hide the settings and open the application. And it automatically finds it, so just click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!